Alright guys, today's opening. Again, we always have to ask the significant other to pick out our pack of the day. He's going to bless our pack. Let's see what he chooses. Looks like it's going to be a Japanese pack today. Nice. Let's see how it turns out. Always excited about a Surging Sparks. So let's open it and see what we got. Y'all don't have to be watching me struggle. Alright guys, looks like we got a Stadium. It's always fun. I don't know why I enjoy them so much. Phoebus, I believe. Oh, I love that art. It's beautiful. Hey, at least we got a holo today. That's not bad.